Test. Hello. Audio. I don't know if I'm... Can you hear me? Wait, let me... No, I think you cannot, right? Hello? So let me try to fix the... You can hear me? Why I cannot hear myself? Wait. Audio's on. Why I cannot hear myself? Settings. Test. Ah, okay. Think now it's fine. A little bit quiet, but like this should be better. Also, let me turn down the volume here. So now everything should be good. I'm still a little bit quiet, right? Like the volume is not really high. Let me try to increase it even more. I don't know, maybe like this. But yeah, I mean, video and audio is good. So hello. Just wanted to come here live. Little spontaneous as always, because I don't really plan my days a lot lately. But it's been a while since I did a last live trading session, or just it's more a live commentary, I would say, because I mean, you know, I don't really trade. It's more like the expert advisors trade. So yeah, that's what we can do here. So yeah, if you are new here in one of my live Q&A sessions, it's basically just me sitting here, and if you have any questions about anything, you can just ask, or whatever is on your mind, just drop it in the chat, and yeah, we can have a little discussion, little chat, and I will try to react to your comments. And yeah, we can of course also have a look at the account, and yeah, all of the projects that I run. And yeah, as we already see in the chat, it is it is indeed time to brag, because the account is just going really good. I mean, it's not really my fault, if you want to say so, because it's just that like the markets are going up a lot, especially like stock markets, and this is why there's like 61,000 euro of profit right now. But today was actually so far a bad day, because there was a stop in USD Japanese yen and also in GBP dollar, so that's in total 500 euro loss. Then also there was a stop loss already in US 30, which is another, I think, 125 lost today. So this is already around 650 euro loss today. And yeah, open positions are slightly in profit, but not so much. But yeah, I mean, that's how it is. Like, if you have a lot of good days, you will also have a lot of, you will also have negative days at some point. What are the range breakout settings you're using for indices, and which one was better? I don't know which settings are the best. Like, but if you are interested in the settings that I use here and the performance of this account, it's the best is just to watch the analysis videos and the videos that I made about the settings, so you can learn everything in the videos that I recorded already. so I don't have to go through everything again here in the live stream, because it's basically just out there on the channel already. You will find different videos for the settings that I use in this account. You will find videos for all of the strategies, and you will also find videos where I analyze the performance of the strategies, how they performed, which one was winning, which one was losing. So just check it out on the channel, and you will find everything. But yes, it was going really, really good lately, and it's a really good profit in this account right now. Also, I will show you the FTMO projects that I have right now. If I can enter my client area on ftmo.com. Somehow I think they have issues with the server. Cannot really log in today. Maybe FTMO blew up and they can also not process the payouts. Oh no, I think now I can see the client area. Wait a second. It's loading slowly, but surely. Let's see. Yeah, it's not really loading. I don't know. Ah, there it is. So, yeah, basically what we can see here, like these are all of the FTMO accounts that I have at the moment. I don't have so many left. You can see right now I only have 4 FTMO accounts, or to be precise, these are 3 FTMO accounts and 1 is a verification account. And also, if you're interested about this, I also documented everything on the channel pretty much. And also in the live streams, I also showed it every time. So this is the last FTMO account that I just passed, the 200K. And as you can see here, there are no open positions because I do not trade this anymore for the next around 10 days. And this is because I'm right now 900 USD in profit. So I will just keep it like this and wait for the first payout. Yeah, you can see it's on the 25th of July, and then I should get like 80% of this, which is around 700, 750, I don't know. And then I should also get my fee back. So that's what I'm aiming for right now. And I think it would be stupid to now risk a drawdown and also risk the fee for the challenge if I can just get it safely, if I just stop trading for the next 10 days. So that's the plan for my 200K account here. Then also I have this 125K account, which is unfortunately, it also lost a lot today. Yeah, because markets was not the best day for my strategies in general. So this account, ever since I scaled it up and I reached like the 90% payout ratio, I was not able to get another payout yet. So this is what I'm waiting for still. And yeah, you can see here it's in a small drawdown now, 300 USD down. So I'm waiting for this to recover hopefully, and then hopefully I will also see payouts from this. And these are the other two. These two are actually not really performing well, and this is like one of the bigger mistakes that I made. I can show you if I can load the metrics here. But this is a FTMO account, and here I did a really big mistake, which was stupid, but I was greedy and impatient, but I did not process the payout, and I didn't get the fee back when I had the chance to, and now I'm in a huge drawdown with this account. So maybe I will lose the account, and yeah, I will lose it before I got the challenge fee back, which is one of the biggest and most stupid mistakes that you can make when you trade with prop firms. So see, this is the account here, and it is this account. And as you can see here, one time at the end of one day, it was 660 euro or US dollar in profit. And at this point, I should have just stopped trading. And I did not stop, which was super stupid, and then we entered this drawdown immediately. So instead of getting like a payout of 500 plus the 500 fee back for the challenge, and now I might lose like the 500 for the challenge, because I think it's not super realistic to recover from this drawdown. But I mean, it can still happen. It's just like, I don't know, gold was performing really bad. Then also in Tesla, I failed to close the position over the weekend because there were some like early stock market closes. So I did like a few really stupid mistakes just, that led to this current state, which is stupid, but I mean, like mistakes were made and it happens. So let's talk about the last account. The last account is just a verification account. So this is not a FTMO account. And it is good that it's not an FTMO account at this moment, because with these 3 accounts, I'm already maximum allocated. So I mean, this is in a drawdown. It's a verification account, and it's been around for a while. Maybe it recovers, maybe it doesn't. But this is the 200K I'm waiting for. And this is, the 90-10 payout ratio scaled up account. But FTMO in general, I mean, it's going good. I'm still overall profitable. If I get the payout for the 200K, I will be overall in profit with FTMO around 3 to 4K, I think, which is good. I mean, it's a fun project for me. But of course, I mean, with FTMO trading, I have some huge disadvantages that I do not have if I trade with a like normal broker, like here IC Trading, for example. So FTMO for me is more like a fun side project that I do, and I also use it, of course, for YouTube content and stuff, but it's not like really important for me. So let me read the messages. Hi René, can I write you an email with some sort of question regarding FTMO and running algos? I mean, you can send me an email, but I cannot really say a lot. Now, actually, it doesn't really make sense if you send me an email. Just send the email to FTMO and ask them if you have any questions, because they are the ones who can answer best. Do you have the video that teaches how to code breakout strategy? It's part of my programming course, so if you're interested, check it out. I just posted the link, and there you will learn how to code the range breakout EA. Do you also do code reviews for viewers? No, I don't do it. Didn't you forget the monthly recap video? Yeah, I'm sorry. The monthly recap video, I recorded it already, but my video cutter, he's a little bit slow this month. So he said he will maybe do it tomorrow. So I will hopefully upload it tomorrow. Or if I cannot do it tomorrow, maybe I will do on Thursday. But maybe also I will only do it on Sunday or Monday, because in the next days also one of my friends, he will marry, so I will have to go to the wedding. So I don't know if I find the time to upload the video. But yeah, there will be a monthly review, definitely. It's just a little bit late this time, I'm sorry. But yeah, there will be monthly review. As always, I try to not let you down here. So I don't know. I mean, that's a trading update, trading overview. If you have any more questions, just let me know. I will be glad to answer them. And also I wanted to try something because I created a program that shows the equity of the current account, and I just made a change that I did not test yet. So let me also test this. Performance display, just need to bring it here. Because I was thinking of creating like a, I don't know, just like an account analysis program in some way that shows like the everything directly in the MetaTrader 5. I mean, I'm not sure if it's super necessary to have such a program, because there are other platforms like MQL5 or MyFXbook that you can use. But I thought maybe for the stream it would be cool to have the performance here. So I wrote this performance display program. It should display yeah, the performance of the account. And wait, if I do it like this, okay, it's not updating correctly, so my code is not really perfect. I have to make some modifications, but yeah, I mean, so this way it's working. So it starts at 0 and it will show just the profit in the account, which is, I think, kind of cool. I could still add like the x-axis, I think, with the time or the amount of trades. But yeah, on the y-axis you can see the profit. So you can see right now the profit is around 61,000. This only calculates with the closed positions. So, but yeah, this is a little project that I just had I mean, like 2 days ago. It was just an idea. I don't know if I will work on this more. I mean, it's not like super helpful. It's just maybe, I thought it would be like a cool effect to have this in the stream also. So we get some spam comments, I think, in the chat. What is this? I can now read lines of code. Oh, it's yeah, thanks for the feedback. I appreciate it. But you can just like post it one time and we will see it. But I'm glad that my videos helped you. Thanks for the feedback. Why your face on recent videos looks like it's made with AI? You probably mean this the thumbnail. This is something my like video editor, he wanted to try it. So I said, I mean, we can try it. And so yeah, we will try it for a month or 2. And if it's not working, then I just go back to the normal thumbnails, I think. But I mean, why not? For me, it's like the thumbnail is not super important to me. It just needs to gain attention, and if it helps to gain more attention, then it's fine for me. Yeah. So also in 10 minutes, yeah, actually in 10 minutes nothing will happen, because usually at 6 p.m. it will close the USD Japanese yen and GBP US dollar, but these trades are already closed because they hit the initial stop. So actually at 6 p.m. nothing will happen. Yeah, also like here, fuck, gold was stopped out. That sucks. Yeah, I mean, what can I do? Hi René, how many EAs did you test before you said you would use range breakout EA in Golo? I tested a lot of EAs. I don't know, I didn't count them. Like definitely hundreds of different EAs or strategies that I tested, but I mean, I don't have a list or something. But yeah, it's not super easy to develop and find strategies that could work. It's really just a really tiring task. You have to do like so many tests, optimizations, modifications of the code, etc., etc. Yeah, bye bye. Have a nice day also. So yeah, actually not a good trading day today. But still, I mean, guess it's normal. I mean, so far there's at least one good trade here that is open, which is the turnaround Tuesday trade here in US Tech. If we can stay around this level, this would be super nice to have another around 300 euro profit in the go long strategy. No, sorry, the turnaround Tuesday strategy. But yeah, for this, the day has to end positive also. So yeah, you're trying to build a turtle trading bot. Yeah, good job. I mean, trying to develop new strategies and learning like how to code, how to create new strategies. It's nice. It's a fun hobby, I would say. Did you make a VWAP EA? No. Never used this. I think it's an indicator, right? But no, I haven't tried it yet. Maybe I should. I mean, some people were asking for it already. Is it a standard, like a default indicator in MetaTrader? Should be oscillator, right? Or volume? I don't know. I don't know if it's available by default. V. No, I think it's not available. But I mean, there might be like a custom indicator in or on MQL5. What is VWAP? Is it volume weighted average price? It is, right? Yeah, no, I'm not really reviewing codes. It makes no sense for me. It's just I'm not interested. But thanks for the offer. I can write down like this VWAP, VWAP. I don't know how to pronounce it even. Maybe I can find like a free indicator in the MQL5 market and then make a programming tutorial for YouTube. The swaps eat my profit. Yeah, swaps can be tough. Like here, for example, also with FTMO, the swaps are really high. Like here I just paid 6. Oh no, like this is IC trading, but here also the swaps are high. I think with FTMO they are even higher, if I remember correctly. But yeah, swaps are a huge problem. 5, 6. Go here, use tech. Oh, 300 points. Oh, it's actually less here. That's surprising. Yeah, I don't know why I pay so many swap fees here. Hi, do you also trade indices? Yeah, I mean, you can literally see it on the screen here. I trade US Tech, I trade D40, I trade US 30. These are all indices. I've recently watched your MQL5 course and I got an issue that every time I test strategy, US dollar, I get spread 1,200 points even after changing it manually to 10. That makes no sense. If you change the spread manually for your custom symbol, it should be 10, because if it's in the data, then it's in the data. There must be some problem with your data. You should check it. I mean, are you using custom data or default data? Because if you use the broker data, then you cannot change the spread. But for custom data, you can change the spread. But then also, if you test with this data, it should show the correct spread. Hi René, can you teach us some optimization methods on your lectures? I mean, I have a few videos about my optimization process on YouTube already. But I don't really have secret or special methods. I just I just use the optimizer that is part of the MetaTrader 5, and that's it. Like, I don't really have any hidden secrets here. Sorry for my ignorance, but do indices have swaps in Forex? I mean, yeah, like if you trade index CFDs, you have swaps, yes. like every leverage product has spreads, swaps basically. I mean, even futures have a higher price, so they basically also have a swap. It's just it's just logical, because if you like lend money from someone, of course you will have to pay interest. It's just a basic economic principle. Swaps are a huge problem. Yeah, I mean, swaps can really be a problem if you hold positions for a long time. Yeah, Arthur, if you use the default symbol or default data from your broker, then you cannot change the spread, I think. Oh wait, can you? Maybe you can. I think in the tester you can, right? But yeah, I don't know. I'm not an expert on this. I always use my own custom data that I download. So I use Dukas copy data. I download it with the Quant Data Manager, and then I just change the spread for my custom symbols, and that just works. So yeah, that's what I do. Yeah, so some trades were just closed in my FTMO accounts. Not as good as I hoped it would be today. But yeah. How do you avoid getting banned on FTMO if you share your EAs? I think I'm just flying under the radar, because I did not make a lot of money with FTMO. Like, I can show it to you. I basically made no money, so I think I'm just not interesting for them at this point. If I make more profits, to be honest, I expect to be banned at some point. But this is my current FTMO overview. So these are all of the numbers, and this is accurate. So you can see here, so far I only have a profit of 2,500 euro with FTMO. Like, with everything that I did, my total net profit is 2,500, which is not a lot. I think FTMO has a system that like detects if you are above a certain threshold, and if I make, for example, 10 or 20k more than I paid for challenges, I assume that they will at this point check me more carefully and then maybe try to find reasons to ban me. But this is just what I assume will happen. I mean, I hope that they don't ban me, but I don't know. Let's see. But if they ban me, I mean, who cares, right? It's not like important for me. It's not an important income type for me. So, as I said, like FTMO for me, it's just a fun project. I do it for content, and the money that I make from FTMO payouts, it's nice, don't get me wrong. It's nice if I can have like a profit of 2, 3, maybe at some point 10 or 20k, but it's not like super important. It's more about the content that I get from it, and it's a fun thing to do. And yeah, I can just let it run on my server, and it's nice. But it's not like I'm planning with this FTMO, and I would never, to be honest, I would never see prop firm trading as a serious business, as a serious source of income, because I think it's just too unstable, and like the terms and conditions of prop firms are just like super shady. Basically, they can do whatever they want. They can ban you for whatever reason. You have no real handle. So I would never recommend relying on prop firms only. It's just stupid in my opinion. What's your average risk percent per trade for challenge and percent for past challenge? So lately I was using 1% for challenge and verifications, but this is gambling, of course. But yeah, I did it because I I can buy multiple challenges at the same time, so it's okay for me to lose one or two and then pass one. So I used one lately for challenges, and then for my past or my real FTMO accounts, currently I use from 0.25 to 1%. It depends on the strategy and the stop loss and everything. But yeah, I definitely use less risk in my funded FTMO accounts. Don't you have a limiter to stop your drawdown after losing a certain number of trades? No, I don't really think it makes a lot of sense to use such a logic. I mean, of course, in my FTMO accounts, I have a stop out level close before the 5% because I don't want to lose my challenge or account because I violate the 5% daily drawdown rule. But in my normal account, I don't really see the reason for such a limiter or such a security system. So I don't use it. Can your strategy be traded manually? Of course. I mean, if you have too much time and no hobbies and no life, no job, of course you can do it manually. A lot of people trade manually. I just think it's stupid because it makes no sense. But yeah, many people do it, and if you like it, if you see it as a hobby, of course you can do it. But in my opinion, it's just not professional, because you will make mistakes. You just waste a lot of time, and you can never execute a strategy as good as a program could do it. My EA calculates lots correctly for all FX pairs and indices, but messes up only Germany 40. Yeah, this never really happened to me, but some people that use my TradeBro tool, which is also a lot size calculation expert advisor, they reported to me that some brokers at some brokers the calculation for gold is off. And I think this could be if the broker is not providing the correct value for like tick size, lot step, tick value, whatever. So you should check these values if you use them in your calculation, and maybe talk to the broker, or just use another mechanism. Maybe you can also create like inputs for these numbers, and this could help. But yeah, I think most likely the problem is that the broker is providing some wrong values. Nico just joined. Did they ban you for a bad reason? Oh, FTMO did not ban me. I'm just saying that I would not be surprised to be banned at some point. But don't get me wrong, like at this point, FTMO always treated me fairly. Like I cannot say anything bad about FTMO from my personal experience, but still, I mean, of course, I'm not blind. I'm not ignoring all of the videos that are out there on YouTube. Many people were banned already for like some reasons that in my opinion doesn't really make sense. So it's just think about it logically. The prop firms, they lose money if you get payouts. So of course they will try to find reasons to ban you if you're profitable over a long period of time. So yeah, this is why I think it's like a really somehow a shady business, like a lot of businesses are in this trading industry. People say it's a scam. Prop firms, yeah, I mean, yeah, a lot of it is scam, of course. Justin says, what I've been doing is using the best performance EAs recently, checking with quant data analyzer. Okay. Yeah, if it works for you, that's perfect. I mean, I just use the same EAs that I always use because I'm like super lazy and I'm not really developing new strategies right now. But yeah, I mean, I'm happy if it works for you. Sounds great. Good evening. How do you choose the assets to trade with EAs? Oh, I just use the strategy tester and the optimizer in the MetaTrader 5, and then I just do a lot of tests. And if I find good expert advisors for my good symbols for my expert advisors, then I use them. But also I always try to use symbols that are really cheap. So one of the most important things for me is the cost structure of a trading symbol. So for example, if you have a look at currency pairs, the major currency pairs of course have a lot lower spread and so lower trading costs compared to some of the exotic pairs, for example. So yeah, that's also, for example, gold has a lot cheaper trading costs than silver, for example, or other metals. So yeah, I'm trying to just use the cheapest symbols. And by cheap, I mean like the symbols that have the least trading costs, like commission, swap, all of this. And then I try to find strategies that work for these symbols. Yeah, that's what I usually do. Okay. Also, guys, let me read your last messages, and then I think I will leave because I will meet a friend soon. Good evening. Okay, I answered this. Even if you need to get funded, you'll have to fund these challenges. Yeah, I mean you have to pay for the challenges, but you get the challenge fee back usually if you get funded. So the prop firm loses money if you are profitable. That's a huge conflict of interest. Average percent you make on your personal account and average percent you risk on your personal account. Yeah, if you're interested on my personal account, which is the one that you see on the screen right now, make sure to check out the videos on my channel. I upload one analysis video every single month where I explain exactly how much profit I made, and then you can do the calculations yourself, and you will also see a lot more key figures. Okay guys, thanks for spending the last 30 or 40 minutes with me. I'm out, but you can find the other stream on the channel, and then you can watch the trades still, but I'm just not talking anymore. Which language is same as MetaTrader? C++. Yeah. MQL5, MQL4, MetaQuartz language is very similar, like the syntax is very similar to C++, but also MQL4 and 5, I would say it's a lot easier because it's so limited on just the trading context. So if you can code C++, you will have no problem picking up MetaQuartz language. Okay guys, thanks for being here. I will see you